Your smartphone isn't just a phone anymore. It's your camera, your navigator, your music player, and your link to the world. It's the device you reach for first thing in the morning and the last thing you check at night. From capturing memories to staying connected with loved ones, it's become an essential part of daily life, seamlessly blending into everything you do. But now, something even more remarkable is happening. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming your device into something smarter than ever before. AI is no longer just a buzzword, it's the invisible force powering the most impressive features of your phone, working quietly behind the scenes to make your experience smoother, faster, and more personal. AI is the reason your camera takes stunning photos in the dark, automatically adjusting settings so you don't have to worry about complicated controls. It recognizes faces, enhances colors, and even removes unwanted objects from your shots, making every photo look professional. It's why your voice assistant understands not just your words, but your intent, helping you set reminders, send messages, or find information with just a simple command. AI learns your speech patterns and adapts to your accent, making interactions feel natural and effortless. And it's how your phone predicts your next move, suggesting apps before you even think to open them, offering up the perfect reply or reminding you of an upcoming event. It's like having a digital assistant that knows you better every day. This isn't just about adding more features, it's about making your phone more intuitive, more responsive, and more helpful. AI tailors your experience so your device feels uniquely yours, adapting to your habits and preferences over time. Whether you have the latest flagship or a budget-friendly device, AI is now at the core of the mobile experience. It learns your routines, anticipates your needs, and personalizes everything from your news feed to your battery usage, making sure your phone works for you, not the other way around. It even optimizes performance in the background, managing memory, extending battery life, and keeping your apps running smoothly, so you can multitask without missing a beat. Most of the time, you don't even notice it working, but it's always there, making your life easier, your tasks quicker, and your day a little less stressful. In this video, we'll break down how mobile AI works, what's happening under the hood, and why it matters to you. We'll explore the real-world benefits and the technology that's quietly revolutionizing your everyday experience. From clever camera tricks to advanced security features like face recognition and privacy controls, we'll show how AI is changing the game and keeping your data safer than ever. We'll also see how tech giants like Apple, Google, and Samsung are using AI to compete for your attention, each bringing their own unique spin to smart features and pushing the boundaries of what your phone can do. So let's dive in and explore how AI is building the future of smartphones, one smart feature at a time. The possibilities are growing every day, and the journey is just beginning. Get ready to see your phone in a whole new light. The smartphone just got smarter, and so did you. Let's get started. For many of us, the camera is the most important part of a phone. It's not just about capturing memories anymore, it's about creating art, sharing moments instantly, and expressing ourselves in ways that were once only possible with professional equipment. And now, AI is the secret weapon behind every incredible shot. It's quietly working in the background, transforming the way we take photos and videos, and making it easier than ever to get results that look amazing. Instead of just snapping a single photo, your phone now captures a burst of images in milliseconds. Then, using advanced AI algorithms, it analyzes each frame, selecting the sharpest details, the best lighting, and the most vibrant colors, and merges them into one stunning image that's better than what your eyes might see. That's how night mode works its magic, brightening up dark scenes and revealing details that would otherwise be lost in the shadows. Even in the dimmest light, your photos come out clear, colorful, and full of life. It's why your photos look so good even in tough conditions. Whether you're at a candlelit dinner, a concert, or capturing a city skyline at dusk. Object removal is another AI-powered trick. If there's something in your shot you don't want, like a stray passerby or a distracting sign, just circle it, and the phone intelligently fills in the background, making it look like the distraction was never there. Video gets the AI treatment too. Features like Audio Magic Eraser can remove unwanted background noise, like traffic, wind, or chatter, so your videos sound as polished as they look, all with just a tap. AI also acts as your personal photography assistant, instantly recognizing what you're shooting, whether it's a delicious meal, a breathtaking sunset, or your playful pet. It automatically adjusts the camera settings for each scene, optimizing exposure, color, and focus to make sure you get the best shot every time without any guesswork. No more fiddling with complicated controls or worrying about technical details. The AI handles it all so you can focus on capturing the moment. Not long ago, these kinds of features required expensive software and years of editing experience. Now they're built right into your phone, available to anyone with just a few taps. The result? Anyone, regardless of age or experience, can take stunning photos and videos. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or just starting out, your phone puts powerful creative tools right at your fingertips. AI is making creativity accessible to everyone, empowering people to tell their stories and share their perspectives with the world. And the best part? Your phone's camera isn't just smart, it's getting smarter with every update. New features and improvements arrive regularly, so your camera keeps evolving long after you buy it. The future of photography is here, and it fits right in your pocket. With AI, you're always ready to capture life's best moments, no matter where you are. Just point, shoot, and let AI do the rest. The world is your canvas and your phone is the brush, so go ahead, create something amazing. AI is making voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistant more conversational and helpful than ever. They now understand context, handle follow-up questions, and can perform complex tasks, like booking a table or screening your calls. You don't have to speak like a robot, they get slang and natural phrasing. Real-time translation is another breakthrough. AI can instantly translate conversations, messages, or even signs, breaking down language barriers. These features are getting faster and more accurate, making global communication seamless. AI isn't just about convenience, it's about connecting people everywhere. Your phone is now a true assistant and translator, ready to help at a moment's notice. The world just got a little smaller. AI is quietly making your phone more personal and productive. It learns your habits, offering smart suggestions like quick replies to texts or showing your daily briefing when you wake up. It predicts which apps you'll need and when, streamlining your routine. Multitasking is easier. Reply to messages without leaving your video, or circle anything on your screen to search instantly. Every tap saved adds up, making your phone feel uniquely yours. AI acts as your digital organizer, reducing friction and boosting efficiency. Your device adapts to you, not the other way around. Productivity has never felt so effortless. AI is the invisible force keeping your phone fast and your battery lasting all day. Adaptive Battery learns which apps you use most, saving power for what matters and cutting off what doesn't. AI-powered charging protects your battery's health by learning your routine and timing the charge perfectly. On the performance side, AI preloads your favorite apps and manages background tasks, so your phone feels snappy and efficient. It's like having a tiny system administrator working 24/7. As phones get more powerful, AI keeps them running smoothly and efficiently. You get peak performance when you need it, and battery savings when you don't. All this happens behind the scenes, so you just enjoy a better phone. That's smart power delivered by AI. Security is more important than ever, and AI is your phone's first line of defense. Face Unlock uses AI to map your features in 3D, adapting to changes and keeping your device secure. This tech also protects sensitive apps, adding an extra layer of security. AI scans for malware and phishing attempts, stopping threats before they reach you. More AI processing now happens on your device, so your private data stays private. You get the benefits of smart features without sacrificing privacy. Trust and control are built in thanks to AI. Your phone is your digital vault, and AI is the lock. Stay safe, effortlessly. Generative AI is unlocking new creative possibilities on your phone. Now you can generate custom wallpapers, expand photos, or move subjects with a tap. AI fills in the details seamlessly. Messaging gets a boost too. Create unique stickers or emojis with AI, adding personality to every chat. These tools make creativity accessible to everyone, not just pros. Video editing, music creation, and writing assistants are all getting smarter right on your device. Your phone becomes a creative co-pilot, helping you bring ideas to life. The possibilities are endless as generative AI evolves. Personalization and creativity are now in your hands. Your phone isn't just smart, it's imaginative. The future of creativity fits in your pocket. AI is turning your phone into a powerful health and wellness tool. It analyzes data from sensors to track your activity, exercise, and sleep. No manual input needed. AI gives you personalized insights, readiness scores, and tips to improve your well-being. Sleep tracking is smarter, breaking down your sleep stages and offering advice for better rest. Some apps even use your camera to measure heart rate and breathing. While not medical grade yet, these features show the future of personal health tech. AI empowers you to take charge of your health every day. Your phone is now a wellness coach in your pocket. Stay active, sleep better, and live healthier, with a little help from AI. So, what's next? As we look ahead, it's clear that the journey of AI in our smartphones is only just beginning. The possibilities are expanding rapidly, and the way we interact with our devices is about to change in ways we can barely imagine. The future of AI in phones is just getting started. We're moving beyond simple voice assistants and predictive text, toward a world where your phone truly understands you, your habits, your preferences, and even your mood. Soon, on-device generative AI will proactively summarize emails, draft replies, and even suggest the best time to respond, all tailored to your unique communication style. It will manage your to-do list, remind you of important deadlines, and help you prioritize tasks, without your data ever leaving your phone, keeping your information private and secure. We may see a shift to a post-app world where the boundaries between different apps blur, and your phone becomes a seamless assistant for everything you need. Imagine simply telling your phone what you want, whether it's booking a table, sending a message, or planning your day, and having it handle the rest, no matter how complex the task. AI will work quietly in the background, anticipating your needs and taking care of the details, so you can focus on what matters most. Your home screen could become a dynamic, ever-changing dashboard, adapting in real time to your schedule, your location, and even your mood. It will surface the information you need before you even ask, offering intelligent suggestions and reminders that feel almost magical. Some advanced AI features might become premium, available through subscriptions for those who want the most cutting-edge capabilities, like advanced creativity tools or deeper personalization. The competition between Apple, Google, and Samsung is driving rapid innovation, pushing each company to outdo the others with smarter, more intuitive features. Developers are working tirelessly to create new experiences, and users are sharing feedback that shapes the next generation of AI-powered phones. The focus is shifting from hardware specs to smarter, more human software experiences. AI features save time, boost creativity, keep you secure, and help you stay healthy, making your phone an essential partner in daily life. From tracking your fitness to monitoring your well-being, AI will help you make better choices and live a healthier life. Your smartphone is evolving into a truly personal, intelligent companion, one that understands you, supports you, and grows with you. The future is bright, and it's powered by AI. We're only at the beginning of this exciting journey, and the best is yet to come.